Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Working on this water system made completely with Amplify Shader by Oliver. Made a music visualizer for the songs Grapevine and Grapevine 2 by Remloops. Abandoned Corridor by Rebel Exile. Trying Another Train Scene by Harry. Restoring an old coffee shop using Google Cloud Anchors by MechPilot. Footage of the Newcomer, Spider Poke by Smoothbrain Games. A little showcase of some level destruction using guns and explosives by Omelette and Yogurt. We love making scary games for this very reason by Game Dev HQ.
What lovely walls they have in here. The cement walls and the color scheme, the white, gold, and blue. We're gonna go left this time. And the magnificent steel doors. Oh my God, bruh. Who is that?
Explore one of the dark caves and survive its hostile inhabitants by Omelette and Yogurt. Wondering what happens if you pick up more than one dual wheel power-up? Yes, there is no limit. By Ultrakill. Chaos and Destruction Everywhere by Brute Force. Big Column Energy by Swordcery. Brand new trailer for Motor Mayhem by DJ Playout. Made with radioactive material by Tablecraft. Some great weapon takedown animations by Jacob. Created new projectile effects, The Smoke is hand-painted by Hovel Studios. The crawlers can path around each other, which adds some tactics to your positioning by Placid Halls. Added the grandma scene by Jay. Cutting Pasta by Pauletta. Cinematic for some new interior customization options by Night Runners. Growing My Hand by Sean. My Main Character Can Turn Into a Creature by Codeer Studio. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.